Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can disable YouTube comments on your videos. There may be some situation whereby you may want to disable your YouTube comments. So without more ado, let's get started. You make sure you go into your YouTube dashboard. That is, already you are into YouTube and then you already have YouTube account, and then surely you have been posting now, probably people have been commenting on your video. So now you have to identify the video, and then you are going to turn on the disable mode. So I'm going to go to comment, that is, you're going to go to content is where you actually saved your video. On YouTube is going to list all the content that you actually have, and then what you just have to do is, for example, let's say I want to turn off the comment on this my particular video, and then I name it the best online video downloader in 2023. So what you just have to do is you have to click on the video. So you could see, once you click on the video, then you are going to see how you can actually disable the comment. So click on the video, or you click on detail. So after you click on that, then all right, well, I actually click on this. You see, now this is the video, and then you are going to actually scroll down. You will scroll down, and then you will see the comment section. Just keep scrolling down. Now you will see something here under the category. You are going to see allow all comments, both potential inappropriate comment for review, and then hold off for comment review, and also you could see disable comments. So you are going to click on disable comments. So once you click on disable comments, then you are going to click on save. So by the time you click on save, we are going to check the video to see whether the comment is still there or not. So I'm going to click on save, and then once it's actually saved, then let me actually go back to the video. You can see just from this place, you can just click on view on YouTube. It's going to open in another tab, and then you're going to leave it for it to wait, and then we really want to know if the comment section have actually been disabled or not. Please, if you are new to this channel, consider to subscribe, and if you want me to make videos, please, you can comment under the comment section below. While it is loading, I am going to actually pause the video because I don't want it to play, and then of course it still have to load. Once it's load, now let's scroll down. Really want to confirm whether the video comment has been disabled. So you go down and you will see something. Can you see? It's saying comment are turned off. Let me pause the ad.
If you want to just have your phone with you, you can do anything.
And then by the time you are here, you could see it says that comments are turned off. So that is how to disable YouTube comment on a particular video. Do you love this video? Give it likes because it's very important. I'm gonna see you in the next video.